Hey guys, welcome to health class. So what you're going to need for this is your health packet, your body books, and of course your science book. You're also going to need to grab a pencil, and you're going to need a red crayon and an eraser. All right, so pause this, get everything you need, and then push play when you're ready, and we're going to watch a brain pop video about your heart.
One, two, three. Moby, you're cheating. I know exercising can be hard, but it's good for your heart. What is the heart? An organ is a body part that has a special job, like your brain, lungs, and stomach. Your heart is the organ that pumps blood through your whole body. It's protected by your rib cage inside your chest. Your heart is about the size of your fist. And it has a very important job. What does the heart do? Your heart is responsible for moving blood through your entire body. When you breathe, you take oxygen into your lungs. Your body needs oxygen to live. Your heart takes in blood and sends it to the lungs. The blood collects oxygen in the lungs and goes back to the heart. Then the heart pumps the blood into tubes called arteries. Blood travels through the arteries and delivers oxygen and nutrients to the entire body. Then it travels back to the heart in tubes called veins and starts again. You can actually see veins underneath your skin. They look like thin blue lines. The heart, blood, arteries, and veins are parts of the circulatory system. Circulate means to go around and around. So, the circulatory system is in charge of moving blood around and around in your body. Each time the heart pumps blood, it beats or pulses. You can feel your pulse by gently placing 2 fingers on the artery near your throat. Your heart is always beating. No matter what you're doing, it beats without you even thinking about it. You're right, Moby. It's important to keep your heart healthy so it can do its job. How can you care for your heart? Your heart is a muscle. Right, Moby. When you exercise, your muscles get stronger. That means your heart gets stronger. After I exercise, my heart beats a lot faster. It means my heart's been working hard and exercising. Swimming, dancing, and playing soccer or basketball are all ways to make your heart beat faster and grow stronger. You can also keep your heart healthy by not smoking or doing drugs. They can damage your arteries and hurt your heart and lungs. Some foods are really greasy or salty, and they can cause problems for your heart if you eat too much of them. So, it's important to eat healthy foods. Nice workout, Moby. I bet your heart's beating pretty fast now. I like this song, Moby.
Okay guys, go ahead and find this page in your body book. Looks like he has all these veins and you see the heart. So grab your red crayon and go ahead and start coloring his heart. Then what you can do is you can just trace a few of these. See how I'm just doing a little bit. Some lines down here to show that the heart pumps blood to all parts of your body. That's what this is going to represent. So you're just going to trace some of these lines. You're not coloring in the whole body, you're just going to trace it like that. Oh, we can't forget the brain. Okay. So we're just going to trace over those lines so it's not fully colored, but you can also see where all the blood goes when it is being pumped. Okay, when you're finished coloring that, go grab your health packet, please. Okay, so we're going to turn to page 69. In our books, we read, or in our packets, we read about our lungs last time, so this time we're going to read about our heart and blood vessels. So please follow along as I read out loud. Put your fingers on the side of your neck. Do you feel your heart beating? Your heart is a muscle, that's super important, that pumps blood. Blood travels through your body in blood vessels. This is one of our vocabulary words as well. Blood vessels are tubes that carry blood to all body parts. All body parts need blood. Blood helps your body parts get food and air. So that's really important. So blood helps our body get food and air. And we talked about this a little bit in the Brain Pop video. They talked about it, how it helps the blood travel throughout your body and how the heart and the lungs work together. So oxygen can go through to all your body as well. All right, flip the page right over. We are going to go to keeping your heart healthy. We're underlining some of these things because for your test, you're going to be able to use your packet so it's easier to find if you have it underlined. All right, keeping your heart healthy. This is very important. It says keep your heart healthy. Play games that make you run. Does that sound familiar? Because that's the same thing that you need to do for your lungs. Running, swimming, and riding your bike are healthful activities for your heart. Most exercises help make your heart strong, your heart muscle strong. Stay away from cigarette smoke. Smoke harms the heart and blood vessels. Eat healthful foods. Some foods are better for the heart than others. Okay? So make sure you've underlined with me so you know the important things that I want you to remember, especially when we're going to do our writing right now. And if you look over here, this is a fun little activity. If you have a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll, those are really hard to come by right now, but if you do happen to have one, you can take the cardboard tube from inside the roll of paper towel, place one end on someone's heart, and place the other end on your ear right here, and you can hear their heartbeat a little bit better. It's like a homemade stethoscope. Kind of cool if you guys want to try that activity at home. Okay, so now go grab your science book and we're going to reread about our lungs and our heart. Okay, does this page look familiar? It should. Turn to page 146. We're going to reread this again because we're going to focus this time on that second paragraph about your heart. So follow along as I read. Your lungs take in air when you breathe. Oxygen is in the air. You need oxygen to live. So that was mostly about our lungs. Now let's focus on what we are going to be reading here. It says, your heart pumps blood to all of your body. Blood has materials that your body needs. Your heart pumps blood to your lungs. The blood picks up oxygen from the lungs. The blood carries the oxygen from your lungs to all parts of your body. Your lungs work together with, or your heart works together with your lungs to keep you healthy. Okay, remember I told you heart and lungs, those are our best friends, and so they work together. Okay? All right, so we're going to take all of the information from this and from our health packet, and we're going to put it together in our body books. So go grab your body books again, and we're going to start our paragraph. Okay, guys, so we're going to start our paragraph about our heart. Please make sure you indent the first sentence. So we're going to start by talking about what the heart is. My heart, is a muscle that pumps blood throughout my body. Okay, now we're going to talk about where the blood goes. My blood flows through blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels are tubes that run all over my body. Just a reminder, if I'm going too fast, you just can put it on pause, finish your sentence, and then press play. Okay, oxygen travels from my lungs to my bloodstream and my heart pumps it throughout my body. My heart and blood vessels are part of the circulatory system. That's what it's called. Circulatory system. I can keep my heart healthy by, do you guys remember? I'm giving you guys hints. Exercising and eating healthy. Okay. So again, when you are finished, you're going to look online, part of your homework, to go ahead and add 2 more cool fun facts about your heart or your respiratory system. Your circulatory system, not your respiratory, circulatory system. Okay? Let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay, so I just realized that this paper is in week 3, but we're actually going to use it in week 2. So what you're going to do for your homework is please add 2 sentences to your body book about your circulatory system. Make it fun. Okay, on Friday, you're going to be reading your 2 sentences from your lungs and 2 sentences from your heart. And if you didn't read sentences about your bones and your muscles, you're going to have to make that up on Friday as well. So make sure you're doing this, okay? If you have any questions, just let me know.